Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Kí la wá ṣe? Aṣíwájú la wá polówó. Kí la wá ṣe? Aṣíwájú la wá polówó. Ẹ bá bọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ̀fẹ́ àti kẹ́fẹ́ di tó tán. Ló bá dọ̀la. Ẹ bá bá fàájì wa lọ. Team Lagos, Nigeria, Aṣíwájú for president. Team Lagos, Southwest, Aṣíwájú for president. I am completely petrified with the crowd that I have seen today. I didn't expect anything less. If you have the likes of Mayegun, and the likes of Kulu, and the likes of MC Oluomo. I don't expect to see less. It took us 1 hour to navigate to this venue. And he gave only 1 minute. Aṣíwájú has echoed this several times. That ẹjẹ́ ká tẹ̀lé tó mọ̀nà. Aṣíwájú la fẹ́ tẹ̀lé. This is a payback time. And this is a testimony that is a payback time for all of you and for all of us. But let me use this occasion to appeal to all of us that are here. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa lọ voters card wa. The only way tí a lè fi jẹ́ kí nǹkan tí a ń ṣe níbí lẹ́nìí kó ní ìtumọ̀ òun ni wípé kí a lé voters card wa láti sọ́pọ́ọ̀tì Ìjàgàbá of Nigeria. Well, let me say this, that I have to thank the organizers of this, that you have done a good and a yeoman job. Good afternoon, the chairman committee. Thank you for organizing this. My leader, Mayegun, Borawoyi, Adukalawoyi, MC Oluomo and Sulu. For us, we are determined that come May 2023, we shall all come and celebrate our mentor, our father, Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Fún gbogbo àwa tí a wá láti other states, ìdùnnú àti ayọ̀ tí ẹ fi lé sí bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ̀ máa bá. Thank you for supporting our father. Thank you for supporting our mentor. God bless you and thank you all. Amen. And for those of us that are in Lagos, thank you for standing for our governor, Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu. By the grace of God, is already returned, all of us. Thank you, and God bless all of us. Chairman, thank you. We have, on behalf of Team Lagos Nigeria, chess, a special message to Asiwaju Bola Ahmed that we would like delivered to our leader. We want him to know that when he's going, we are behind him. When he's walking, we are beside him. We are in front of him. We will never, never, ever let him down. This will be the first artwork that will enter Aso Rock when Asiwaju becomes president. This is an artwork that is comprising of Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Idoma, Efik, Tiv, all tribes of Nigeria. Oya, are you ready to see it? When it comes up, I want you to shout Jagaba! Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I would like to invite the APC woman leader, in Abia State.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.